Can trees really explode in Minnesota's extreme cold? Hey Discovery learners! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something wild, literally. You may have seen posts online claiming that trees in Minnesota can explode during extreme cold weather. But is that real science? Or just a viral panic? Let's break it down. The viral story. Recently, a social media weather graphic went viral showing Minnesota and the upper Midwest under an exploding tree risk, as temperatures plunged below -20 degrees Fahrenheit. The post racked up millions of views and shares, making people wonder if this extreme cold could turn trees into ticking time bombs. Direct hit. What weather is coming? Minnesota has been hit by a powerful Arctic blast. Air temperatures well below 0 Fahrenheit, with wind chills that feel even colder. These kinds of cold snaps are rare and extremely dangerous for people outside, but something curious is being talked about. The idea that trees might explode when it gets this cold. So, can trees explode? Here's where the science gets interesting. Trees don't explode like fireworks or bombs. What can happen is something called frost cracking, where extreme cold causes the water and sap inside the wood to freeze and expand rapidly. Water inside tree freezes, expands. Bark cracks under pressure. Sounds like a loud pop or gunshot. When water freezes, it expands. Inside a tree, that expansion can build pressure in the wood. If the temperature drops suddenly, bark and wood can split quickly, sometimes with a loud crack or pop that sounds like an explosion. But it's not a true explosion. What experts say. According to forest scientists and meteorologists, this kind of cracking is real, but it's rare and usually not dangerous if you're inside. In places like Minnesota where cold weather is normal, trees are adapted to handle freezing temperatures better than in warmer regions. Trees are adapted to cold. Widespread explosions are extremely unlikely. Why it sounds so dramatic? Part of the reason the story spread so fast is that the word explode grabs attention. People hear loud noises during a cold snap, especially in forests, and it feels dramatic. But scientists remind us that these noises are just wood and bark splitting due to physics, not explosions in the usual sense. Safety and tips. While exploding trees aren't something to panic over, extreme cold is dangerous. If you're in a place like Minnesota during an Arctic blast, stay warm, limit time outdoors, and be prepared for slippery roads and frozen pipes. Layer up with warm clothes and look out for frostbite and hypothermia risks. Closing. So there you have it. Trees can crack loudly in extreme cold, but they won't blow up like fireworks. Nature is fascinating and sometimes startling, but the science behind it is what really makes winter weather cool. If you learned something new today, hit like and subscribe to Discovery Learning Hub for more science explained clearly.